Have you heard about direct sales? Maybe you have friends that are in this industry, you see them building their businesses, making money, and you're wondering, how exactly does direct sales work? Is it possible to make a real income with direct sales? Do people make real money with direct sales? And more importantly, is this a good option for me? Well, stay tuned because that's exactly what we're going to be talking about in today's video. I'm going to break down exactly how direct sales works, how people make money with it, and that way you'll be able to see if this is a good fit for you. So what exactly is direct sales? The direct sales industry is a business model where you directly sell a company's product to a consumer. Customers order products through a representative, resulting in one of the highest revenue industries worldwide. So how does it work? When you join a direct sales company as a representative, you usually get paid in two ways. One, you share the product. When your customer purchases the product, the company pays you out a commission. Two, the second way you make money in the direct sales industry is through having a team. When they sell, you get a small commission and possibly rank bonuses depending on the company. And just as a side note here, I have come across many people that don't think they could build a direct sales business because they are afraid of annoying their friends and family by pushing their product or opportunity. I felt exactly the same way when I joined the direct sales industry. I knew that if that's what it took, if I had to be salesy and pushy to be successful in direct sales, that I just wouldn't be able to build a successful direct sales business because I wasn't willing to stoop to that. I wasn't willing to do that to my friends or my family. So I set out to see if I could be successful without those tactics. And what I found is that those salesy strategies are not only unnecessary, but would actually hurt my business. They're actually very outdated methods and strategies to build a direct sales business. So I just wanted to put your mind at ease if that is your concern as well. If you're interested in learning tactics and strategies that do work today without being pushy or salesy, be sure to subscribe to this channel because that is exactly what we talk about here. We talk about how to build a successful direct sales business while staying true to yourself. But let's get back into the video. Direct sales is a proven industry. Take a look at some of these companies here. Very likely you recognize many of these names. These are companies that are still in business today. And you can see some of these companies have been around for over 100 years. Direct sales is a very time-tested business model. It's not a pyramid scam. It's not a get-rich-quick scam. It's a very legitimate business. Direct sales is a growing industry. In today's era of internet marketing and social media, there has never been a better time to have an online business. I can't tell you how many people during the COVID-19 crisis told me how grateful they were for their online direct sales business, that they were able to make money online as the whole world shifted to purchasing and selling online. It was such a blessing for those of us that already had that business model set up. The direct sales industry easily adapts to economic changes. An estimated 74% of Americans have purchased goods and services through direct sales. That is a lot of customers. The direct sales industry accounts for $31 billion in sales. It is one of the industries with the highest revenue worldwide. Direct sales companies can pay out more to their representatives because they spend far less on advertising and marketing than the traditional businesses do. But now you're probably wondering, is direct sales a good fit for me? If you are looking for something where you work from home, you are your own boss, you are in control of your paycheck, you are in charge of your own career, and you shape your own future and lifestyle, direct sales might be for you. And we go into more detail about figuring out if direct sales is a good fit for you. So if you're interested in checking that out, I will put the link to it at the end of this video. So I hope that helps explain what direct sales is and how it works. If you have any questions, feel free to drop those in the comments below and I will try to answer those for you. If you would like to join my direct sales business and work directly with me and my team, I will put the link to that in the show notes below. If you are new to direct sales and you're just getting started on your journey, make sure that you hit that subscribe button because that is exactly what this channel is about. We are dedicated to helping women, helping entrepreneurs build a successful direct sales business, understand the industry, understand different strategies, and really build the life that they dream of. So that's it for today. I will see you all in the next video.